Hey, it's Coach Steve here. Today we're going to talk about burpee progression. So, what I'd like to do today is give you options for burpees. Alright, at the end I'll go over some things that you can use, like during a race if you have to do burpees, to make it a little bit less strenuous, because you do want to save some energy when you're on course so that you can do all of the other things, all the other fun things. So, I'm going to give you 4 levels of burpees, so it doesn't matter if you can get on the ground or not. There's an adaptation for burpees for everybody. So the level 1 burpee is just going to be along the wall. So remember, there are 3 parts to a burpee basically. There's the push-up, there's the squat, and then there's the jump. So for level 1, we're going to do a push-up off a wall. I'm using a fence, doing a squat, and then a little hop. And that's it. That's level 1 for a burpee. Level 2 for a burpee, I'm going to use this container. You can use a heavy piece of furniture if that works for you. And again, we are going to do a push-up, step our feet back in, do a squat, and do a jump. Alright? Level 3 is going to be more of a traditional burpee like you might have seen. So we're going to go down, our feet are coming out, we're going to do a chest to ground push up, we're going to step it back in and jump it up. That's level 3. And level 4 is more of our stereotypical burpee that you see most people doing, but who cares, right? You need to do the type of burpee that works for you. So going down, jumping it back, doing a push-up, jumping it back in, and jumping it up. Alright, so a couple things to consider when you're doing burpees if you're going elite or if you're going age group. First of all, when you do the jump, your hands should come over your head. You do need to come off the ground just a tiny bit. Not a big deal, just a little bit off the ground. And for everybody that's doing burpees, they're chest to the ground burpees. Of course, if you're an open, you can do burpees your way, of course, but doing chest to the ground burpees is what they're going to be looking for the elite and for age group. So what I usually do is make it a little bit less energy, have a little less energy expenditure. As I come out, I just flop straight to the ground, bring it up in one motion, and jump it up. So that sort of eliminates a little bit of the muscular strength that you need to do the push-up part of it. So that is the breakdown of 4 different types of burpees. There are many other types of burpees that are a lot more fun, and we can go over those later. So if you're even more curious about getting yourself ready for a Spartan race, please message me and I'll be more than happy to talk to you about how to make your next Spartan race a lot easier. Aroo!